Hey guys, Ali from ALTA. How are you? We're in the middle of winter. It's dumping. It's beautiful Utah right now. We want to give you an update on what we're doing with the swinger. It's actually pretty much done. We ordered all the parts. Production has begun. So all good news, but we're only cooking about 10 of these because they take a long time to jig and alignment and stuff like that. So the challenge is going to take a pretty long time to manufacture these. So we're going to try to build a few and perfect that manufacturing process and be able to go into full production hopefully by early spring. So if you do want a swinger, there's probably about 5 or 6 people already on that list. So there's 3 or 4 as of today is the 6th of January at 3:30 p.m. Just to be safe, there's 4 left. Just letting you know. Anyway, here is the ALTA Swinger. We have it here in raw steel format, latched up, ready to go. It's going to be a directional swinger where you can either go right or left. The only thing you got to change is basically you will bolt these on bolt the actual latch itself on the bar. That's going to be relative. So if you flip this the other way, that latch is going to be on the bottom, so then it's interfacing to the correct part. You have a tension system here, is a rubber system in here that gives you positive tension back, so it's going to give it a nice smooth feel. And it's all toolless. That's the beautiful thing about this. You don't need any tools to operate this. It's all lever, and it comes with a short hitch. This is the key to the swingers, because we're not extending out the rack as much as would be with a regular hitch or an Excel hitch. The swinger will come with that hitch, so you just basically swap out and you're ready to go. But if you do want to buy a rack with a swinger and you're never going to change that configuration, you can actually buy this whole thing with a short hitch and a swinger and save you a couple of $100 on a regular hitch too. So that would be the most economical path to go forward. Some of this feature is, we're going to blow you away. This is a 300-pound rated swinger. So that means with the rack and the bikes, total weight, full swing out, no tricks. Hey man, we only go halfway and it cuts the weight in half, and then you go 2/3 of the way and all the way by the end you got a 100-pound swinger. No, it's 300 pounds open. That's what I mean, 300 pounds open. So I'm 190 pounds, the rack's about 100 pounds here. So I'm gonna get on this to demonstrate how smooth this is, and Dan the man is gonna swing us out. I'm gonna get on this low bar to simulate the spread of the force, and I'm holding on to these baskets for my dear life. Hopefully he's not gonna throw me. But let's go. There you go. Woo! And then I'm gonna close it, and here's where the system works. Oh, that's alignment. The actual hitch piece is going into the part that's plugged into the vehicle. That is really key to the stability, because we're putting the forces back into the static portion of the vehicle and not on the dynamic arm that's swinging when it's closed, so it can handle a lot of weight that way, and it takes out any kind of flex and movement that every other swing out on the market right now has. And what's the other thing is these swing outs, there are no swing outs in the market that you can go both directions. There are no swing outs in the market that does 300 pounds. So we have exceeded any expectations even that we put for ourselves, but it only took 4 years. So this is the kind of design it took. This swing out was harder and more difficult design than any rack system that we ever built and any other product that we ever developed. This is pure physics. It's actually the anti-physics, because you're defying physics with laws of lever and moment, and how you figure out the material and keep that swinger about 50-pound weight range. So pretty proud of this product. We're gonna put these out again. There's 10 units coming out with that swinger, and you're gonna see it.
Can we see that one more time when you get on and swing it out?
Yeah, we can do that again. Boom. Get the legs in. Yeehaw! It's a ride. Smooth one-handed operation. You're not forcing it. It lifts itself up and guides itself into the hole and actually plugs the hitch into the stationary part automatically. That is pretty hard to achieve. That's why it took so many years. because if it's not perfect, it's not Alta. And that's what we do here. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, y'all.